Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano X. First, unbox your new Ledger Nano X and connect it to a power source using the provided USB-C cable. Power it on and you'll see a welcome message. Use the left or right button to navigate through the initial screens. When prompted, select Set up as New Device by pressing both buttons simultaneously. This starts your secure setup journey. Next, you'll create a secure PIN code for your device. This PIN protects your Ledger Nano X from unauthorized access. Use the buttons to select digits from 0 to 9, confirming each digit with both buttons. Your PIN must be between 4 and 8 digits long. After entering your desired PIN, you will be asked to confirm it by entering it a second time. Choose a memorable yet strong PIN. This is the most critical step, writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. The device will display each word one by one. Write them down precisely in the exact order shown on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check every word for accuracy. This phrase is your master key to your crypto assets. Keep it extremely secure and private. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone. Losing it means losing access to your funds. Finally, you'll confirm your recovery phrase by selecting words as prompted by the device. This ensures you've recorded it correctly. Once confirmed, your device is ready. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or smartphone using the Ledger Live application. Through Ledger Live, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, to manage your assets securely. You are now ready to use your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.